Hey there, I'm Sean Hewitt and I'm a computer technician, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your Microsoft project to a Microsoft Excel project. To go from a Microsoft project like what we have right here into Excel, which we have open here, I'll show you how to do that. When you have your project you'd like to convert over, just go to File, Save As, and then we're going to select, just pull down, Save Type As, and we'll select Microsoft Excel Workbook. We will save it to the desktop, and then we'll hit Save. Then we'll open up the Export wizard. We'll hit Next, and then we'd like to export the selected data, what we have right here. Hit Next, and you can create a new map or use an existing map, whereas the maps will decide what types of data is taken from your document. For this instance, we'll just use existing template. Hit Next, decide the type of options you would like inside of your export. Hit Next, and then this is where you will hit Finish. Decide the type of items. You just decide the type of items you'd like on your export. Hit Next, and then when we're done, we'll hit Finish here in the bottom right. Now it's been saved. If we minimize, you can see there's our project here. If we double click it, we have the information exported right here from project into Excel. And there you go, guys. That's how you convert a Microsoft project to a Microsoft Excel project, and I'll see you next time.